Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen the blade on your lawnmower. This lawnmower is a Toro recycler with a 6.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. It's a pretty simple task that anyone will be able to do. So let's get started. First, take the mower, tip it back like this. It's not going to hurt it. Then if you got a car sitting there or something heavy to put on the handlebars so it'll stay up like that, or a buddy to stand on it while you're working. So now you can see underneath it. Now before you do anything down there, take the spark plug wire off. Ooh, hot, I just had this thing running. Ooh, yeah. And make sure it's well away from the spark plug, just so there's no way the engine will start in case when you're turning the blade or whatever. Because I have this motto, better safe than severed. So look at the bolt on the end of the crank. This one looks to be a 5/8. So I'll get a ratchet with a good socket, set it to reverse. So put that on there. That's forward. And then, but before you do that, get your blade clamping tool here. Just goes on the side of the deck like this, and holds the blade while you're loosening it. Go like that, and you tighten it up. Make sure it's tight so it's not going to move, but not super tight so you can't get it off. It should be good. So now the blade's not going to move. Get your ratchet. If it's a little rusty like this one, you're probably going to want to get a long ratchet so you get lots of leverage. So then put that on there, and then set the camera down. But just kind of hold the deck so it doesn't move. If you're only with yourself, or if you got a buddy, you don't have to do that. But real tight. So then just unscrew that. And get your blade off. Pull the blade off. And then there's your blade. So take it over to your little grinder. And then set the camera down again. And then be alright. Okay, so turn your grinder on. It's got variable speed, set it to full speed. And first you're going to go straight across like this and back. That just gets out any rough edges in the blade. And then you go tilt it, go forward and back, tilt it backwards, forward and back. Then it's effectively sharpened. So I'm going to do that now on both sides. See, it's got a good edge on it now. Do the other side. And then blade is nice and sharp. So then you just got to bolt it back up and you're done. Make sure it's on there real tight. So that's how you sharpen the blade on your lawnmower. Thanks for watching.